It's a Gary Lloyd testimonial. It's a game for somebody whose service to the Welsh Premier League was absolutely fantastic, and Welsh football in general. He played over 500 games in the Welsh Premier League. He was a top-class player. He won 7 or 8 leagues with Barry. He's won so many things in the league. I think he was the league's most decorated player, and unfortunately he's been ill health. So we decided to put together a testimonial for Lloyd, and it's deserved.
What can you say about Gary Lloyd? Probably he is the best player I played with who never played in the Football League. How he never played the Football League is, well, we could stand here talking about it all day because Gary was an exceptional player. And in today's football world, he'd be worth a lot of money.
If you need to, and these lot have gone disappearing yet, you just get over either side.
When Neil told me a couple of weeks ago that they got a game going on for me, first thing I thought is seeing all the boys that I haven't seen for so many years. And I'm really looking forward to it, When you're playing, you don't think about 20 years in front of you or 30 years in front of you. But when you're out of the game for so long, it's nice to see the boys coming together for something, I guess. It's special for me.
For me, he's the best ever Welsh Premier League player. Every now and again that comes up in social media and names are bandied about, but for me, Gary Lloyd all day, best ever Welsh Premier player. Welsh Premier royalty is. The turnout, not just the players, but obviously there's a reasonable crowd here as well, just proves really what everyone thinks of him. I've played against him and with him, I think the world of him. So many fond memories, and it's great to see him here today, smiling and looking healthy, and everyone here for him.
Ond dwi'n cofio bod yma ym Mharc Jenner a gweld o yn chwarae'r Bari yn erbyn Dynamo Kiev pan oedd Andrei Shevchenko a Sergei Rebrov yn chwarae i Kiev ac efo droed chwith hyfryd Gary Lloyd, a mae'n aelod o oriel anfarwolion Uwch Gynghrair Cymru a mae'n llawn heiddi'r wobr honno.
I came to the club at Llanelli probably 8-9 years ago now, and had 5 years with Gary. I'd known about him, playing against him when I was at Cardiff and he was at Barry Town at the time, but when I actually met the man, he was different class, and could see why he was such a good player. And it's unfortunate what happened to him, but it's a great cause that everybody's turned out for him today, and we wish him well and get him on the road to recovery because he's a smashing lad.
It's going well. I mean, they're a bit unfit for what it was a couple of years ago when we were all out there, but it's nice to see them out there enjoying themselves.
300 or 400 people turning out for Gary Lloyd, and it's just a testament to what a great player he was. And it was a bit of a footballing party. It was rounded off most probably by his young son coming on and scoring the last goal of the game. There's a good feeling about the place today. Barry Town have always been one of the top football clubs. They've looked after Gary Lloyd today, and as have the ex-players as well. He's one of the best, and I'd like to think the football people today have stood by Gary. It's been a marvellous day. Very, very pleased to be involved in the game myself as well.